Nobody believed in me, not because I was loud, not because I failed publicly, but because I was quiet and ordinary. In a world that only listens to noise, I was invisible. And the hardest part wasn't the struggle. It was waking up every day, carrying a dream that no one else thought was worth carrying. My name is Ethan. I wasn't special. I wasn't talented in a way people clap for. I worked part-time at a small grocery store, stocking shelves at night. Every morning before leaving home, I did one small thing. I wrote one sentence in a notebook. What if I'm not enough? That fear followed me everywhere. Teachers said, be realistic. Friends said, that's not for people like us. Even family said it kindly. Have a backup plan. What they meant was, don't expect much. And slowly their doubts became my background noise. I wanted to be a storyteller, not famous, not viral, just heard. I believed stories could save people, because once a story saved me. But dreams like that don't fit on resumes. Life didn't pause for my dreams. Rent was due. Bills stacked up. The grocery store smelled like cardboard and exhaustion. Every shift felt like proof that maybe everyone else was right. One night, walking home in the rain, I asked myself the question I'd been avoiding. What if I try and still fail? The rain didn't answer, but it listened. The next morning, nothing changed, except one thing. I stopped asking who believed in me and started asking if I believed in myself. That day, I wrote one page, just one. Days passed, no applause, no encouragement, just pages, messy pages. I wrote on buses, during lunch breaks, late at night when fear was loud. No one noticed, and that hurt. I shared my work once. Silence, no likes, no replies, no validation. For a moment, I almost quit. Then something small happened. An older customer at the store, someone I barely knew, said, "You look tired, but focused. Don't lose that." He didn't know my dream, but somehow he saw me. That night, I realized something. Belief doesn't always arrive as cheers. Sometimes it arrives as permission to continue. I kept going. Not faster, not better, just steady. Some days were terrible. Some days were quiet victories, but I showed up. Months later, one message appeared. I don't know who you are, but this helped me. I read it 3 times. It wasn't fame, but it was real. Something changed after that. I walked differently, spoke softer, but stronger. I still worked the same job, but I wasn't the same person. I started sharing stories for people like me. Quiet people, unseen people, people waiting for permission. One day, a teacher who once doubted me said, "I didn't expect this." I smiled. Neither did I. Success didn't arrive loudly. It arrived quietly. The moment I stopped needing approval, nobody believed in me. And that's okay, because belief only needs one voice to begin. The world didn't change when I started believing in myself, but I did, and that changed everything.